Benefits are something that if you say, oh, I want to increase my bone density, and I'm going to do that by exercise, is that really going to get you out of bed at 4:30 or 5 o'clock in the morning to go to 9 rounds? I love you, Abby, but no, if that is my only goal, I'm not going to see you at 5 o'clock in the morning at 9 rounds. However, if I'm thinking, you know, I'm 60 years old and everybody in my family, all the women in my family by 70 and 80, they have hip fractures and they're not able to play with their grandkids, and I want to be able to play with my grandkids and not be in a wheelchair, that might be strong enough to get me to go work out at 5 o'clock in the morning. On this playground that's on your sheet, you have benefits, but you also have on the other side of the seesaw barriers. You want to decrease your barriers. By the way, Tammy, tell me when I've got 1 minute left, please.
That's not me.
Okay, good. I am so glad. But do this when I've got 1 minute left. So barriers, you want to weaken the barriers. Whenever you're thinking about going to Aunt Susie's house and you think, I always overeat when I'm at Aunt Susie's house, think about why is that? What is it? Is it her nagging you to overeat? Is it because her food is so amazing? What is it? What are those reasons? And then begin to ask yourself, what can I do to overcome those barriers? So first is, what are the benefits and personalizing those? Second is, what are the barriers and weakening them, overcoming them, reframing them.